Delkor is a leading manufacturer of case packing and cartoning equipment. With a full lineup of intelligent packing technology and the expertise to engineer fully integrated packaging systems, Delkor is the preferred supplier for many major cheese brands. The MSP series case packer is a great solution for quickly and efficiently packing pouches, reaching speeds up to 200 bags per minute. The dual vision-based robots can read and align products weighing up to 3 pounds. This makes for a great solution for pouches of string, shredded, or sliced cheese of all sizes. The versatile LSP series case packer is a great addition to any operation that needs to run multiple shipper styles on a single line. The articulating FANUC robot arm can handle up to 20 pounds of product, packing into the full range of shipper styles with quick, toolless changeovers. These styles can range from Delkor's patented shelf-ready Cabrio case, large format club trays, and brown box shippers. With the ability to form Delkor's Cabrio case, cartons, club store trays, and brown box shippers, the Trifecta G-Series former is the perfect match to many of Delkor's advanced robotic packaging systems. Utilizing a drop-in template design, ensuring changeovers are a breeze, making certain that your first case produced is a good case. Delkor's F-Series closers offer the perfect close to a Delkor case packing line. Able to achieve rates up to 60 cases per minute, this machine can handle the high speeds demanded by many manufacturers. Our turnkey palletizing systems offer a great way to tie your entire line together. Easily integrated into your plant's line, Delkor can deliver a finished stretch wrap pallet retrievable by an automatic guided vehicle or a manned forklift. All Delkor equipment is designed and manufactured in Minneapolis, Minnesota. With 350 plus employees and over 300,000 square feet of production space, we stand ready to provide fully tested packaging systems for your next project. Thank you for your time. We look forward to working with you.